Ever struggled lugging a heavy kayak to the water? Tired of cramped storage and awkward transport? Traditional kayaks are bulky, hard to store, and heavy. Inflatable kayaks often lack performance and stability. You want adventure, not hassle before you even launch. Meet the Advanced Frame Expedition Elite kayak. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. A hybrid kayak combining folding frame performance and inflatable ease. Patented aluminum rib frame technology at bow and stern. Drop stitch floor delivers unmatched rigidity and speed. Aluminum ribs slice through water for smooth tracking. PVC tarpaulin hull is tough, durable, and long-lasting. Multiple air chambers for optimum safety on every trip. Twist lock and spring valves make setup fast and simple. Adjustable lumbar seat and raised deck for all-day comfort. 13 feet long with spacious storage for extended adventures. Max weight capacity, 450 pounds. Bring your gear and more. Weighs just 42 pounds. Easy to carry solo or pack in your car. Comes with duffel bag, rudder mount, repair kit, and manual. Pump not included. Add the AE 2011 pump for best results. Imagine, old kayak, heavy lifting, slow setup, limited storage. Now, advanced frame, lightweight, quick setup, ample space. Old kayak, struggles with tracking and maneuverability. New kayak, aluminum ribs keep you gliding straight and fast. Old inflatable, feels flimsy, lacks confidence in rough water. Expedition Elite, drop stitch floor adds real rigidity. Old kayak, uncomfortable seating, back pain after an hour. New kayak, adjustable lumbar seat for all-day paddling. Old kayak, no room for gear or snacks. Expedition Elite, spacious storage for every adventure. Old kayak, takes up garage space, hard to move. New kayak, packs down, easy to store, easy to transport. Setup, inflate, secure, and you're ready in minutes. Safety, dual air chambers keep you afloat, even if punctured. Performance, hull chine and aluminum ribs boost speed. Durability, PVC tarpaulin resists scrapes and punctures. Comfort, raised deck and lumbar support for long trips. Versatility, perfect for lakes, rivers, or coastal adventures. Ideal for beginners, seasoned paddlers, and travelers. No more struggling with roof racks or heavy lifting. No more sacrificing performance for portability. No more leaving gear behind due to lack of space. No more worrying about safety or setup time. Just pure adventure, wherever you want to explore. Pack it in your trunk, backpack, or closet. Carry it to remote lakes or rivers with ease. Set up in minutes, paddle for hours. Enjoy stability, speed, and comfort every trip. Bring your camera, snacks, and extra gear. There's room. Perfect for solo trips or sharing with friends. Built for those who want more from their kayak. Engineered for performance, designed for convenience. Adventure doesn't wait. Why should you? Choose the kayak that keeps up with your lifestyle. Advanced Frame Expedition Elite, where innovation meets adventure. Upgrade your paddling experience today. Don't settle for less. Demand performance and portability. See the difference on your first trip. From lakes to rivers, go further and faster. Enjoy peace of mind with multiple safety features. Feel the comfort of ergonomic, adjustable seating. Experience the thrill of high-performance kayaking, anywhere. No more trade-offs between storage and adventure. No more limits on where you can paddle. Get the most out of every outing. Make every trip smoother, easier, and more fun. Ready to elevate your outdoor adventures? Order your Advanced Frame Expedition Elite kayak today. Don't forget to add the AE 2011 pump for easy inflation. Adventure is calling. Answer with the best inflatable kayak. Click now and start your next journey on the water.